up, guys? It's Shauna, and in a few seconds, I'm going to be showing you guys the app you can use and that I use to make YouTube banners. Here it is. It's called Photon. So, you go to Photon, but before you get it, make sure you download the YouTube banner template. So, you're going to go get the template out your camera roll. I'm going to cover up the camera roll because, that's not the point, but I'm going to get it. I'm going to crop it a little bit, but I didn't crop it all the way for the simple fact that it was a tutorial and not an actual banner, but I will put the banners I made with this app behind the video. So I'm going to crop it down a little bit. Done. Boop. We're done. So now, what you need to do is go back into your camera roll, find the picture that you look good in, baby, because you got to look cute for your banner. So you go and see a banner with the picture. Pull out. If I were you, I would pull out the pictures first. Then you can just go behind and get your background, if you know what I mean. But right now, I'm showing you guys the little stickers and everything that you can use to make your banner original. And if you don't want like a creative, not a creative, but a in-your-face background, you can use one of these stickers and pull it out the length of the banner sides and length and sides, and you could do it like that. But I didn't use that. I just want to show you guys if you wanted to use the banner like that, or do the banner like that you could. So this is how it look. I'm pulling the picture down and put it on top just to show you guys, yeah, you can use that if you don't like the other stuff. But I'm not. I'm going back into the camera roll. You know. Going to get my background. Very much unicorn vibes, if you know what I mean. So I get my background. It's real cute, real colorful, real Shauna's worldish, you know. Like and subscribe right now. Anyway, back to the video. So I'm going to make it the length and width, not fully, but enough where the banner will look right. Then, after I stretch it to where I like it, I'm going to do some more stuff. I'm going to put the picture down, and I'm going to make the background alpha. After you find a size that you prefer on your banner, make the background alpha. That way you can follow the lines and see where you want to put certain information at. Okay, so now I finally made the banner alpha. I moved the photo. I'm moving it around. Now I'm going to add my words. Autocorrect was giving me a hard time. I can spell, y'all. Don't worry about it. I can spell. So then, I'm going to pull the words out, move it up and down. I can change the color, change the font if you really want to. I'm going to put 2 words on here that most YouTubes do, but this is not what's on my actual banner. It's just that if you do this, you can put those words. I'm also going to put subscribe, because if you have a banner and you don't put subscribe, what are you doing, honey? What are you doing? So yes, going back into my camera roll, selecting the same picture of me as the first time, put it in the same frame, and now I'm going to mess with the mess with the sizing of it. I'm still playing with the banner. I don't know why. I'm finally moving around one of my pictures, messing with the sizes so I can fit it with the length, with the width and the height, really, of the banner. Because if your picture hangs a little bit over your banner, I don't think it will look right. So be mindful of that. Also, your pictures don't have to go on the side. You can put them in the middle like I end up doing on my actual banner. It's just whatever you like, honey. This is your channel, your creativity, your mindset, your vision. So do what you want to do with your channel, baby. Boom. So now I got the pictures on there. I got Shauna's World because, I have my own little world and you guys are a part of it. And if you're not a part of it, subscribe right now so you can be a part of it. Fingers coming all summer long. And I'm just building my channel. So yes, I'm going to put challenges, vlogs, because who doesn't like a good challenge? P.S. guys, I got a challenge coming on the way and it's a banger. So subscribe to see that challenge because I promise you're not going to want to miss it. So I got my words. I'm moving it around, trying to figure out a placement. Like, I don't want to overstuff my banner, but you want to put some words and make it look where you're drawing people's attention. So you need the put some words or pick a background or pick some pictures that are interesting and that will draw people towards your channel.